My dear students, I have come in front of you with a very new job recruitment announcement by the Regulatory Bank of India, the Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India has notified 650 vacancies in the assistance cadre. There are 6 vacancies in Kerala and 53 vacancies in Tamil Nadu. Of course, vacancies in different states differ in different years. Important dates. Registration is available at RBI's website from February 16 to March 8. As I usually tell all of you, do not wait till the last moment. Avoid data congestion and shoot your application as soon as possible. Prelims exams will be conducted on April 11 and mains will be conducted on June 7. So you have enough time, start the preparation. With the same preparation, you can do the upcoming IBPS exams too. There are only cosmetic differences between exams. Eligibility, you must be, as on 1/2/2026, you must be 20 years minimum, and the maximum you should not cross 28 years. Educational qualification, degree 50%. There is a preliminary examination, there is a mains exam. Prelims exam, English language 30 questions, 30 marks, 20 minutes. Numerical ability 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. Reasoning 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. So 100 questions, 100 marks, 60 minutes. If you have enough marks, if you secure enough marks, you will be called for a mains exam. And the mains, there are 5 topics: reasoning, English, numerical ability, general awareness and computer awareness. 40 questions each, 40 marks each, and 135 minutes. So 2 hours 15 minutes. So there is a specific time stipulation for different topics. There is no interview as it is an assistance examination. So great chance, work hard, stay focused and work hard. That's the way out. I'm very sure that those who are very focused in this examination and working really hard will find success. So let 2026 be a wonderful year for you, a year that will fulfill your dreams. May God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.